In this tutorial, you will learn how to register new students in Electude from the teacher login. To begin, log in as teacher and go to the Student tab. Then click on a Student Main Group folder from either the left-hand menu or Student Listing at the center of the page. If no groups are found, you'll need to create student groups before you can register students from the teacher login. Please see tutorial Introduction to Student tab, Creating Groups, for further instruction. After selecting a Student Main Group folder, look toward the bottom of the page for the Students heading. Click the large plus to register your first student. In this example, there are no subgroups listed under Main Group Class A. We'll discuss registering students into subgroup folders later in this video. After clicking the plus from under the Students heading, specify student information in the New Student form. In this example, email short form is being used. When a student email address is entered, subsequent lines will appear to enter additional email addresses. Every few entries, click the Add button to confirm student registrations. Students will receive an email from Electude detailing their login details. After a student email address is added, it will appear under the Student Last Name heading. This will remain until the student logs in and completes their account registration. Afterwards, both first and last name will be listed. If the main group folder contains additional subgroups, you will not register students in the main group area. Rather, you'll register students in each of the subgroups. From the main group folder, click the subgroup you wish to register students in. Click the plus to register a student within the subgroup folder. Specify a student email address in the space provided. This will double as their username. When a student email address is entered, subsequent lines will appear to enter additional email addresses. Every few entries, click the Add button to confirm student registrations. Students will receive an email from Electude detailing their login details. Besides email short form, full form student data entry is possible. This option is set from the Administration Login, Settings, General. If this option is set, the teacher will specify student first and last name, as well as email address. This concludes new student registration. For more training tutorials, please visit our website at electude.com.